All right, this is attempt number 2 at this challenge lock. It's a quick set I got from the Helpful Lock Picker on YouTube. It is a working challenge lock. Like I said, this is my second attempt tonight. This lock puts up a heck of a fight. I picked it before on camera, but I didn't gut it. So my hopes is to pick it on camera and gut it. So we'll see. I don't know. It's really crunchy. Really crunchy. I'm not getting any kind of... Oh, there's a little false set, I think. Yep, deeper false set. We'll see. I may end up roasting it like I did last time. We'll see. Nothing's talking to me though now. It's dead. Looks like the lock just died. Yeah, I don't know. Oh. I don't know. I mean, I can't get anything to talk to me here. Nothing. It's just locked up. I'm going to try to back off a little bit. Because I think that one's talking to me. I want to say it's 3. Well, I said it was. Oh. Okay, it was talking to me. Now it's locked up again. All right, let me see. This one here. There it goes. All right, we got it open. Now, let's see if I can dissect this thing on camera. So, I'm going to keep it in the frame. Set this let's set this down here. Alright, now I'll bring this down. I believe we'll move the camera a little bit right here. Alright, now adjust the light a little bit. Alright, get that clip off the back somehow. Jabbing my finger off. All right. Sorry about the camera shaking. I actually I ordered a camera tripod, but I haven't gotten it yet. So, all right. Follower. I want to say it's this size right here. Looks like it. I think I'll use a shim. use a shim for that, just in case, if one goes in there. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, set the lock here. Here we go. Pin 1, pin 2, 3, wow, 4, actually, it looks like there was 2 pins in number 4. All right, up in the top side. Up in the top side, we've got. Let's see. Should use a different follower. I don't like this one. All right. That shim out of there. There's the first one. Whoa. Sorry, pin number 2 just popped. It looks like a standard, honestly. Okay, pin number 3 looks like some kind of spool. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on there. Get these springs out of the way. Maybe I can go from the other side. All right, 5. These kind of look like standard pins, or okay, apparently 4 was all the way up into the I don't know how that worked out. I don't know how those pins came out together. I guess they didn't need to be unless they all fit down inside there. I don't know. But anyways, it's picked and it's gutted on camera. I'll do a little close-up on the pins. There we go. First challenge lock picked and gutted on camera. Thank you.